What is value added method, or we can say as a product method or net output method, or the fourth is industrial origin method, in which the value added method measure national income in the term of value addition by each production enterprises in the economic during an accounting year. Basically, value added is equal to value output minus intermediate consumption. The intermediate consumption, like if you buy something like the woods to make a chair, or the flour is converted in a bakery product. So whatever the amount is created or added, it calls value added amount. We can say value output is equal to sales plus goods produced for self-consumption. Value output can be, in the case B, is sales plus change in stock, like started the business in the year of April, in the month of April to March 31st. In the starting, it calls like the opening stock. In the year of ending, it calls closing stock. If closing stock is greater than opening stock, it means it's going to increase in the stock. If closing stock is minus or decrease or less than opening stock, so it means there's a decline. Value output is equal to sales plus change in stock plus drawing. Gross value output is equal to value output of first sector or the primary sector, value output of secondary sector, or value output of tertiary sector. GVAMP, gross value added market price, is equal to GDP market price, as well as national income formula we know about, like NNPFC is equal to GVAMP minus depreciation minus NIT plus NFIA. NIT is equal to net indirect tax, which called for indirect tax minus subsidy. NFIA, net factor income from abroad, is equal to FIFA minus FITA, factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. Thank you very much. Take care.